What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. As always, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This is just for entertainment purposes only, so let's be entertained. If you caught my video yesterday, you would have noticed what I was calling for. If you didn't, then you may have missed out on some pretty good analysis. But if you don't mind, go ahead and like this video so that it can get out to more viewers, and from there I'll get right into the info. Yesterday I was comparing this lull to what we had in the initial 4-hour cross up in Redbox. It came down, it rode the 13 for about 20 hours, and then it got a bump and a bump, and then it kind of stayed flat just a little bit, and then after hours pre-market, bump. What did we do in Revlon today? Well, after about that 16 to 20 hours, we got our initial bump, we got the second bump. Let's see how it finishes out. I mean, it's Friday. There's going to be some profit takers. There's going to be some people with a little bit of nerves that are just not going to want to hold this through the weekend. So do what you see as fit. But if this does play out the same way that Redbox did, as it did so far, I could see a little bit of lull coming into the end of the day as they're just trying to get in or out of their positions for the weekend. And then maybe the after hours and pre-market on Monday could be entertaining. So that's what I'm looking at there. If we look at it on a shorter time frame, remember, momentum trade. This isn't like a diamond hand play. We don't know what's going to go on. You guys do what you want, but if you were momentum trading this with the video that I had yesterday, you could have scalped an easy $2 and you could have already scalped another $2 instead of sitting here all day. To get $2, you would have had 4. So do what you want with the play, but remember, the trend is your friend. Right now we are trending beautifully. There is a chance that we're going to just pull back to this trend line, so I don't think it's anything you have to chase. I never recommend chasing, especially when we're right at a point of resistance or breakout. Could become support if it gets that drive, but my theory, my best guess is it's probably going to just bounce around in here until the end of the day. Possibly even be some better entry points along the lines. The RSI is looking really nice. It's staying nice and warm on the shorter time frames. The 4-hour, it's heating up, but these plays, you know, they can run 80, 85 all day long before we see that cool off, and it's sitting comfortably below 70 right now. So I think there's still room to run. I haven't lost faith as long as we don't get any terrible news that comes out Friday or Monday morning. Then I think this thing's going to continue on. It looks good. It looks strong. It's got the perfect setup right now to be able to do whatever it wants to do. We got cups and handles everywhere. They're ugly, but it's a volatile play, so obviously they're not going to be a perfect, smooth cup and handle formation. It's going to get that jockeying around as day traders, swing traders, momentum traders are coming in, coming out, you know, making that money. You probably have had a chance to make your position free at this point if you wanted to, so that you're not risking any of your money. You're playing with the house's money. What better than to play with free money and see where it goes with a lotto ticket, right? In this crazy casino that we have. But it is setting up nice for what could be another longer cup and handle on the 30-minute, which would also make me think that we could expect a little bit of pullback, probably coming down to this trend line, maybe even a little bit further. In all honesty, it could come down below that trend line just a little bit for a brief while and see if it starts to push with another handle. That's on a 30-minute time frame, so it's going to look a little bit different probably from what you're going to be staring at for most of the day. But I think it's looking really good. Like I said, I don't see any reasons that I'm gonna panic at this point, but as always, do what you see fit. If you don't mind, drop a like and comment if you wish, and subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss any of the updates. I'll be back with the boxes this evening or over the weekend. The boxes, right? Boxed and Redbox. Everybody's kind of asking about those, so I'm gonna try to get out a little bit more info, a couple videos on them, what I see going on. But as always, guys, stay golden and may your accounts stay green.